Hello guys, myself Sampath, and in front we got the Nothing Ear 1, and you obviously know about its hype, so let's see whether it's true or not. The unboxing experience is simple, and inside we get the Nothing Buds itself along with the Type-C cable and different ear tips. The first thing I noticed in the design was that they implemented the AirPods Pro design, which was nice because they fit nice. Also, the most fascinating thing about the design of the Nothing Buds was the transparent concept, which was too good and it's cool and somewhat refreshing. The Nothing Buds got the 12mm drivers in it, and to be fair, they sound good. The bass, the treble, the mediums are great and somewhat equivalent to my AirPods Pro. Coming to the noise cancellation, it's present in these buds, but don't expect too much from it. But for the cost and hype, I expected more from this noise cancellation, so it's a little disappointment. We also got a dedicated app for the Nothing Buds one that's available on both iOS and Android, and it's decent. It got limited functionality, but we expected more. We can control various sound modes and noise cancellation features, and we could use the Find My Buds feature to play loud sound from the buds to find where they are, and they are quite handy. The Buds itself gives us around 5 hours of playback and drastically reduced while in noise cancellation mode. The case provides 34 hours of battery backup with noise cancellation mode off. Also, one of the coolest things that we got in this Buds was the ear detection feature. So if you remove the Buds, it will stop playing. And it's a feature that's missing in most of the earphones, and I'm happy that the Nothing Buds include this feature. Also, it's splash resistant, so you can do your workouts easily without any worries. And thanks for watching. Myself Sampath, and catch you next one.